Hi, welcome back or welcome to Cuppy's Crochet, and I wanted to do a unboxing of the Reborn baby I got real quick. Well, it's quiet for once, so this time I had to order the body separate, but it still came all in the same bag. But I'm so excited. Oh gosh, it's been a day and I'm in a hurry because my husband, he's not home to be watching TV and stuff, so I'm getting everything out of the bag because I'm excited. This wasn't supposed to come until like the later part of December, so I was shocked whenever it came in a few days ago, but I haven't had a chance. But the one thing that I'm over the moon, it made my day, my week, my month, and maybe my year. Okay, I'll be there for you no matter what. But anyway, this is so cute. It's got a little birth certificate and everything, and I like that it came with that. So instead of me looking at my computer and having to have it on the entire time I'm working on the doll, I can just look over at the birth certificate. And what I really like about it is not only did it come in a Ziploc bag, but it's in a Ziploc type bag inside of it too. So double protection, and that way after it's done, then the birth certificate can be filled out and put back inside of the bag to keep it protected. So I'm putting that on the bottom. No, not yet. But here's what the Reborn looks like. Unpainted, untouched, anything. I haven't even washed it yet because I haven't had time to play. But anyway, here's what a Reborn looks like before anything gets done. Yeah. But what I also like about it is on this one, if I can tilt it the right way, yeah, you can kind of tell this one has the soft spot on it. And yeah, I like that. Definitely got to be washed good. I mean, they're clean when they come, but they're straight out the factory. So yeah, that needs to be washed inside and out, because on the inside it's still got a little film on it, but on the inside, I don't know if you can tell, you can see my hand shot going through, but on the inside it's kind of it's like glossy on the inside, but on the outside it's got like a powdery, you can't really feel it, but it's really smooth and powdery feeling. But all that has to be washed before I start painting or anything. Putting this back in the bag because I do want to keep it protected from everything else. And the feet, they're so cute. They're so cute. And that's what I like also about where I get mine from, is everything is different. Like, see, they're the same size. May not look like it. And the lighting in here, it's not great the way I have it right now. But whenever I get done, they will be perfect. And last but not least, the little hands. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. And you can see all the little wrinkles and stuff on them. Not so much now. I mean, you can see the lines in them. But once I get them painted and put together and everything else, they'll have more definition. But yeah, I'm excited, and I wanted to share in my excitement with y'all. And I won't be unboxing the last part of it, which is the paint thinner I use, because you have to use the paint. They come in these itty bitty teeny tiny little things, but you have to use paint thinner. It's what's the name of it? It's, I can't remember the name of it. I see it in my head, but I can't remember the name of it. It's a paint thinner, but it's not paint thinner. It's mineral spirits. But my husband, whenever I got it, I was like, can you grab me some mineral spirits on your way home? Because he always asked if I need anything on the way home from work. So I told him, yeah, I need mineral spirits for the Reborn. He's like, oh, okay, cool. But this time, he didn't buy me just the little one of it. He bought me like a gallon of it. I'm going, oh, that's going to last a while. So, and I'm good now for one more Reborn for the hair. And sadly, I'm going to end up having to order more hair. It's mohair. And I don't know where else to get it from, except for this one place. Because I have looked at other places, but I like the quality of the place where I get it from. Because for their Reborn dolls, Reborns, because a lot of people are picky about it. They're like, they're not dolls, it's a Reborn. But that's why I keep going back to the same company I always use, because they use a real baby. They like scan the whole 3D everything of a real newborn baby. And that's why whenever I make the Reborns, I like them, because they actually look like real newborn babies. And it's fun to do whenever somebody comes over and I'm holding the baby like a baby and it's all swaddled up and cute, and they're like, oh, I'll be quiet, I didn't know they were sleeping. And then I'll throw it on the couch gently, because, you know, that's a lot of work. And they're like, what are you doing? I'm like, it's not a real life baby. And they're like, what? Are you serious? And then they'll go over and look at it and they're like, that's a doll? And I'm like, no, that is a Reborn. I thought it was real. I love that reaction. But anyway, I won't be any longer. I gotta go. I'm just really, 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 really super duper excited and all that good stuff. So hopefully today is, let's see, what is today? Today is Friday. So I'm hoping to get started soon, but I've got an afghan that I've been working on, and I really, 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 really want to get that finished. So, one thing I did not think about grabbing, but I'm going to grab that now, because it is over here. So, if you've been watching my other videos, then you will have seen this little baby afghan. Now, I didn't do the border on my video. I was just doing the time lapse of it. I think it came out a little bit too big for her, but that is what I made for her. So I'll have something to take pictures with and all that good stuff. And I love the edging. I didn't think I would like how it came out, and I wanted it to be bigger all the way around, like keep on with the ruffles, but I ran out of that kind of yarn, and I liked it anyway. I like it. I like how it turned out, so I'm keeping it there. So if you want to see more videos and watch me put Alyssa, that's her brand name, Alyssa. So if you want to see me do Alyssa and more afghans and tutorials and all that good fun stuff, like my video, please. Number one, appreciate it. Really helps with the algorithm. Subscribe, but don't forget to ring the bell so you will get a chance to see each and every time I upload, and more fun stuff, whether it's makeup or crochet. Love crochet. Sorry, not sorry. Reborn. And no telling what else I'll get into. Appreciate you. Have a great morning, noon, or night. God bless you. Bye.